Now this mRNA, imagine it is having a fake sequence. I have taken AGCU, and the sequence of the mRNA which produces polygalacturonase is also AGCU. But here what we can notice is this mRNA 3' to 5' is complementary to the 5' to 3' of this sense RNA. Yes. So this is the sense RNA. This is antisense RNA. Now this antisense RNA goes and binds with the sense RNA. So this is 3', 5'. You can see here 3', what is there? U. Next what is there? C. Next G. Next A. So that means what? So this antisense RNA will go and bind with the sense RNA. Right. Now what is formed is this double-stranded RNA is formed now. So this is a double-stranded RNA is formed. Now what is happening is this kind of a double-stranded RNA cannot undergo translation. Because for the translation to take place, the mRNA should be single-stranded. But what we did, we have sent a foreign gene, this gene producing RNA. But this RNA is having a complementary sequence with that of the mRNA or sense RNA here. So this RNA, this antisense RNA goes and binds with the sense RNA, forms a bond with the sense RNA, and what is finally formed is a double-stranded RNA. Now this double-stranded RNA does not have the capacity to undergo translation, so translation is stopped. If translation is stopped, that means what? Polygalacturonase enzyme production is stopped. If a polygalacturonase enzyme is stopped, that means what? Now the cell wall will not degrade. The pectin material will not break. If the pectin material will not break means what? The cell wall will be hard. That means in all the tomato cells, the same concept is happening. So such technology is antisense technology. This technology is antisense technology. So we are sending antisense RNA to bind to this sense RNA. Now antisense RNA, sense RNA will be bonding and forming a double-stranded RNA. Now it doesn't have the capacity to undergo translation. So such a concept is known as antisense technology. So this antisense technology is all happening, technique is happening in all the tomato cells. So the same thing is happening. That means every cell of the tomato wall is hard. That means what? Now the tomato is going to be hard for longer time. So the tomato wall is not going to become soft, it is going to become hard. That means what? The tomatoes have a longer shelf life. And we have the ripening capacity, we have delayed, right? Delayed ripening capacity. So such kind of tomato variety is the flower sour tomato. So scientists have created flower sour tomato variety. Now what is this tomato variety? Importance is here in these tomato cells, the polygalacturonase enzyme synthesis is stopped such that the cell wall degradation doesn't happen, such that the tomatoes cell walls will be harder for longer period. That means the tomatoes are now can be stayed for longer period. They have a longer shelf life period. They can be stored for long period. They can be transported to longer distances now. And they have a delayed ripening capacity. So that is why they can be, stayed for longer period. So that is the importance of this variety, which is flower sour tomato. And the technology here we have used is an antisense technology. Now this flower sour is bruise resistant.